Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing video where I will show you how you can get unlimited TikTok coins with a simple trick that I will show in this video. First of all, let me open up the TikTok app, and look at this. I have a crazy amount of coins thanks to this trick. So you can see for yourself that this is a real thing and that it actually works. If you want to learn how to get unlimited coins in TikTok, don't miss this video. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and check if there is any update available for the app. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode can interfere with the mod and prevent it from working properly. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. What you need to do next is open your internet browser on your device and go to the website called injectelite.com. This website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for CoinsMod and click on it. You will see a page with some information about the app and a button that says Start Injection. Click on that button and wait for a few seconds. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says Injection Completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. So that's how you can get unlimited coins in TikTok. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.